अच्छा, whoever whosoever में हमने फर्क कभी समझा है?
नो।
ओके, whoever क्या होता है, इनफॉर्मल होता है, हम इसको फॉर्मली भी यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो whomsoever है, whatsoever है, तो सो बीच में जो ऐड होता है ना, ये पूरी तरह से टिपिकली फॉर्मल होता है। कहते हैं कि whosoever and whoever.
Whosoever is quite formal.
Yeah,
And
whatsoever, whosoever, whatsoever. Okay.
So whenever we are talking with friends, we can't use whosoever.
Yes.
We use whoever.
Yes. ज्यादातर
Okay,
हम
that's
रिटन में
good.
यूज करते हैं whosoever. आपने देखा होगा ना स्टोरीज या ऐसा कहीं कुछ टिपिकल सा हिंदी में, रिटन क्योंकि अलग लैंग्वेज है और स्पोकन काफी अलग लैंग्वेज है, तो रिटन में whosoever और जैसे although हम ज्यादातर रिटन में although पाते हैं, और भी बहुत सारे लिंकिंग वर्ड जो हम रिटन में ही पाते हैं, तो although के बजाय हम कुछ और however बोलते हैं, however बोल सकते हैं, while बोल सकते हैं,
Right.
still बोल
Right.
सकते हैं. ओके, अब whichsoever, जो कुछ भी, जो कुछ भी आज मैंने पढ़ाया वो बेसिक लर्नर्स के लिए था.
Whichsoever I taught, that was completely for basic learner.
Yes, whichever या फिर whichsoever, whichever I taught.
Whichever.
अच्छा, हम बोल
That is completely for
whichever I taught, उसके बाद हम क्या बोलेंगे, was for basic learner.
Whichever I taught was for basic learner.
Yes. अच्छा, जो भी आपने सुना वो गलत था, यहाँ पर whatever भी बोल
That was, we can't use that was. We can't use that was. Is it okay to use that?
Whichever we covered was previous stuff. तो यहाँ पर एक शॉर्ट तरीका है बोलने का, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ ये मिलेगा, जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ वहाँ ये मिलेगा, ऐसा होता है ना, तो हम शॉर्टली बोलते हैं. जब हम किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बहुत फ्लुएंट हो जाते हैं ना, तो हम इसे बहुत शॉर्टली कवर करते हैं. बस ये तरीके हैं.
Right. Understand.
ओके. जो कुछ भी मैं ऑफर करती हूँ आप मना कर देते हो.
Whichever I offer, you आप मना कर देते हो. You refuse to take it.
Yes, you refuse to take it. You refuse to accept. You refuse भी बोल.
You refuse.
Yes, you अगर मना कर
You
दिया,
refuse.
अगर मना कर दिया तो you refused हो जाएगा, मना कर देते हो तो you refuse. Okay.
You refuse.
Yes. Whatever से भी इसको कवर कर सकते हैं. Whatever I offer you, whatever I offer you, I give to you, you always refuse. Whatever, whichever, दोनों यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay.
Got it.
कौन सा वाला आपको पसंद है?
कौन सा वाला? Whichever you like it.
Yes. Okay. जो भी पसंद है वो आप ले लो.
Okay, जो भी पसंद है. Whichever you like, you can take it.
Yes.
जो भी.
Take whatever you want. Take whichever you want. जो भी वाला आपको पसंद है.
Whatever also you can use.
Yes,
we can use
whichever.
take whatever you want.
Whatever, whichever में काफी अलग है. जैसे कि आपको जो कुछ भी पसंद है ले लो, लेकिन यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस है आपके पास, तो whichever बोलेंगे, मतलब जो भी वाला. Whichever you want, you may take it whichever you want. मतलब ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि यहाँ कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, आपसे कहा जा रहा है इनमें से आप कोई भी ले लो जो आपको पसंद है. अच्छा, whatever का मतलब पूरी दुनिया में जो भी चीज है, जैसे नॉर्मली हम क्या पूछते हैं, which color is
there is no any option.
है ना, whichever is your favorite और whatever is your favorite. तो इस तरीके से हम which और what में डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. ओके. जब भी कभी आप मेरे पास नहीं होते हो तो मैं आपको मिस करती हूँ, कैसे बोलेंगे?
Whenever you are not with me, I really miss you.
Yes. Whenever. हमने फोकस किया यहाँ पर. Whenever. Okay.
Whenever.
जब आप उसे देखते हो तो मुझे जलन होती है.
जब आप उसे देखते हो, whenever you see him, I feel jealous.
अच्छा, look, see and watch, इसका हम क्लियर कर चुके हैं कॉन्सेप्ट.
Look, watch is something like moving. If you're watching that thing, that is watch.
Yes, moving.
See object. Like moving object.
अच्छा,
see like simple things.
ना तो look हो जाएगा. When you look at her, whenever you look at her, I feel so jealous. Okay.
Okay. So when we use look.
तो लुक हम जब किसी को ध्यान से देख रहे हैं, ध्यान दे करके खुद की इंटेंशन से देख रहे हैं, दैट इज लुक. लेकिन हमारे सामने कोई चीज है, नजर के सामने पड़ गई तो वो सी. मैं वहां से जा रही थी, मैंने लायन देखा, ऐसा अ लायन व्हाइल पासिंग बाय देयर, तो यहाँ पर देखा. लेकिन जब मैं खुद से देख रही हूँ तो दैट इज लुक. तो आप इंटेंशनली उसको देख रहे हो. व्हेनेवर यू लुक एट हर, आई फील.
ओके, आई गॉट इट.
ओके. जब मैं एंजॉय करती हूँ, मैं चाहती हूँ आप भी मेरे साथ हो.
Whenever I enjoy, जब भी मैं एंजॉय करती हूँ, whenever I enjoy, I wish you would be with me.
Yes, I want you to be there. I want you to be there.
Whenever I enjoy, I want you to be there.
Yes, I want you to be there whenever I enjoy. अच्छा, इसको interchangeably भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay.
Interchangeably like?
Interchangeably मतलब पहला सेंटेंस लास्ट में और लास्ट वाला पहली.
Yeah, I want you to be there whenever I enjoy.
Yes. अच्छा, कई बार क्या होता है कि हम जब इंटरचेंजेबली यूज करते हैं तो ज्यादा फ्लो आता है। कुछ एक सेंटेंस ऐसे हैं,
Right.
आई विल मेक यू रियलाइज कि कौन से वाले सेंटेंस वो हैं। ओके, जब भी हम लीव करेंगे हम ये मोमेंट मिस करेंगे।
Whenever we leave, we miss this moment.
या व्हेनेवर। ओके,
Whenever.
व्हेनेवर कंफर्म हो गया, आप कर पा रहे हो तो आगे चलते हैं।
Right, right.
Okay, you are right. Some platform where we could use what we are learning. So we need this kind of platform. Otherwise, I have the platforms means I have to talk with you guys all the time in English. So I guess this way I revise the things which I learned. This thing happens.
You have options now because you're teaching students. So every
Yes.
time you're connecting with people, like
Yes.
whole day, like you're 5 to 6 hours, you're busy with this kind of.
No, what
activity.
happens like if a person get who is same at my level, I exchange my number with that person. I have a lot of person in my contact who are same at my level and who are trainers even. And who are at good post. So they always ask me to call. I hardly get time with other thing, but when I get time, I connect with them. I talk to them.
That is also good idea. Yeah. That is
Yes.
also good thing.
A
You can
trainer
do the
from,
same.
yes, a
You can,
trainer
you,
from Kerala, a trainer from other state actually. They are also trainers. So we have good bonding.
okay, but they are also teachers like that.
Yeah,
You,
trainers.
they are
Actually, they are 14 years experience. I have only 7 year experience.
also, okay.
Yeah. Actually, age doesn't matter for me. I like experienced person. So a person who connected with me, I think 4 months ago, he was a writer, English
Yeah.
writer, and his books are available on Amazon. He's a really fantastic writer, I would say. And I read few of the books, and only I checked the cover page. Then I found like topic was good, so how this book would be. But I couldn't go for the learning and reading all the books. But I found really he was amazing writer. So when I connect with him, he is over 60. So I feel really so much means positive when I talk to him. And he was also just saying like I was searching like you, friend. So when we connect with him, I feel so much positive and energetic because at his age he is doing so much good. He has retired actually. He was working somewhere and now he has been retired.
And if you're connecting with people who have good experience and all, you can learn something from them.
Right.
Because whatever he told you, that is all about experiences, whatever
Yeah.
you have seen in their life and all.
Yes.
So I think that is good way to talk with people who is
Yeah.
like older and
Yeah.
all.
And most of my friends, they are over 50 and 55. So means I really love talking with them. And I can, if I'm confused, then I can ask for the suggestion even. Okay.
Okay. That's why you're comfortable with each and every people, like every age group people. That is best part, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, they are experienced, and I feel like जैसे कि मेरे साथ बहुत सारे लोग हैं. I feel like a lot of persons supporting me. I need support. I need someone who could at least motivate me. I feel motivated when I connect to them.
Right.
Okay.
That's true.
So किसी तरह से मैंने वहाँ से ऑफिस से निकलने के लिए मैनेज किया. किसी तरह से कैसे बोलेंगे?
Somehow I managed to escape from my office.
Yes. Okay.
Somehow is okay for you. किसी तरह से.
Okay.
Somehow.
आप जल्दी में थे फिर भी आपने मुझे लेटर भेजा.
You were in hurry. आप जल्दी में थे फिर भी. Still you have sent me the letter.
Okay. However भी बोल सकते हैं, still भी बोल सकते हैं. However you were in hurry. Although अभी आप कुछ लोग although भी बोलते हैं. Although you were in hurry, you sent me letter. You managed to send me letter. आपने manage किया. Somehow you managed. ये भी बोल सकते हैं. It is okay.
You managed.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You managed to send me the letter.
Okay. आप उसे पसंद करते हो जबकि आपको पता है कि वो आपको कभी लाइक भी नहीं करेगी. जबकि
You like it. जब भी like however, we can use however over here.
Yes.
मतलब you like her, however you know she doesn't like you. She never like you.
She would
She never accept you.
She would never accept you. She would never
She would-
accept you. Yeah.
However she would never accept you.
Yes, you like
You
her.
know,
However,
however
you like her. However, you know that she will never accept you. She would never accept you.
she would never accept you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. While भी
However
ऐड
you
कर
know.
सकते हैं. While का मीनिंग भी जबकि होता है. उसे ऐसा
Okay.
पता है जबकि उसे नहीं पता है तो while के साथ ऐड करते हैं. Okay.
That's
Okay. Okay. जिसे भी आप डांटते हो वो सुधर जाता है.
जिसे भी. Whoever you scold, वो सुधर जाता है, like what we call it.
Recover. सुधर जाना. Recover.
Okay, he will get recover.
Yeah. whomever, अच्छा whoever दोनों सेम होता है, रिटन में whomever यूज होता है, पहले स्पोकन में भी यूज होता था, अब थोड़ा कम यूज होता है, अब आप whoever भी बोल सकते हैं। whoever you scold
Okay.
recovers his mistake। अच्छा रिकवर एक वर्ड का और भी मीनिंग है, जैसे हम बोलते हैं उसके पास इतना माल बरामद हुआ है ना, पुलिस ने ये चीज बरामद कर ली, तो यानी रिकवर कर ली, यहाँ पर रिकवर का मतलब बरामद भी होता है। ओके
Okay.
ओके जैसे भी आप
Recover this.
ओके जैसे भी आप लाइक करते हो वो बहुत लकी है।
Whom you like, he is very lucky.
whomever you like is very lucky,
Okay.
is very lucky,
Whomever you like is very lucky.
yes is very lucky। okay ये जिसको मिलेगी वो बहुत लकी होगा, ऐसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना। सो whoever finds her will be very lucky, तो यहाँ पर will be को ऐड करेंगे। ओके
Yeah, that is prediction, na? Like it's kind of forecast. Whomever.
यस
Okay, whomever.
ओके किन किन के साथ आपका झगड़ा हुआ है, किसके साथ आपका झगड़ा हुआ है?
Whomever you had fight.
with whom
Fight with.
with
With whom? Okay, with whom? Like what? How can we say?
with whom
Complete sentence.
या with whom आपका झगड़ा हुआ है, you have messed, with whom have you messed।
With whom have you messed?
यस आप किसके साथ झगड़ा करते हो तो do you mess हो जाएगा। ओके
Okay, with whom do you mess?
यस ओके किसके साथ वो आपको मार्केट में मिला था, आपको वो किसके साथ मार्केट में मिला था?
With whom he met you in market.
with whom did you meet him in the market?
With whom did you meet him in the
Yes.
market?
अच्छा अगर आपको मिला था ये भी बोल सकते हैं with whom you found him in the market, with whom you found him in the market ये भी बोल सकते हैं। ओके
With whom you found him in the market.
या
Right?
किसके बिना आप एक भी दिन नहीं रह सकते, किसके बिना?
Okay, without whom you will not live even a single day.
अगर वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है सो विदाउट व्हाट?
Which?
विदाउट व्हाट?
Without
without what
Without what?
without what you cannot manage even a single day, without who?
without what you can't.
okay
Yeah. If living thing, then it's without who.
Yeah.
And if it's a non-living thing, then without what
yes
we could not be able to manage
Yeah.
even a single day.
अच्छा हम इस तरह के सेंटेंस को ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, is there anything without you cannot manage even a single, is there anything, is there
Is
anything,
there any?
is there any
Yeah, is
person?
there any?
अच्छा हम देयर को कैसे बताते हैं, हम कहीं पर किसी चीज का होना बताते हैं तो हम देयर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि इस ग्लास में थोड़ा सा
Right.
पानी है, देयर इज अ लिटिल वाटर इन द ग्लास, है ना, तो इस जार में थोड़ी सी कैंडीज हैं, देयर आर फ्यू कैंडीज इन द जार, तो देयर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। इस रूम में 5 बॉयज हैं, देयर आर 5 बॉयज इन द रूम, तो देयर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो अगर हम क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में बोल रहे हैं ना कि क्या इस रूम में कोई है, इज देयर एनीवन इन दिस रूम?
Yeah, is there anyone in this room?
ओके सो वुड यू लाइक टू
And
आंसर?
if I'm asking like, is there anyone around you? मतलब just
Yes.
if I'm ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं
तो
ना?
इसको
Is there
आंसर
anyone
कैसे
around?
करेंगे? नहीं आप मेरे अराउंड कोई भी नहीं है, आंसर कैसे करेंगे?
No, no one is around me.
ओके
There is no one. There is no one.
There isn't anyone भी कह सकते हैं, there isn't anyone around me, no one is around me. Okay.
Okay.
So would you like to answer, is there anyone without whom you cannot manage even a single day? Or without what?
Without what? There was nothing.
I think mobile.
No, mobile is also not that much necessary
Okay.
for me because I have done tracking on that places where you don't get network for 2-3 days.
Okay.
So in that place also we stay for without networks and all. We haven't talked with anyone. We haven't done any kind of uploadings and all. Once we are coming down, then we do uploading on Instagram, Facebook, here and there, WhatsApp, like that.
Okay.
So it could be manageable without mobile. It could be
But I
manageable.
haven't
But yeah,
imagined,
nowadays.
like how would be our life without cell phone? What would
But
we do?
if you go, but if you have books, if you have something, you can spend your time like whatever you're spending in your mobile. You can spend those time in that places by talking with nature, by doing some meditations, by doing. Well, there are so many activities. It's all depend on you how you manage your time.
You
in
can
other
explore
activities.
all the things without mobile, I think, which you have never even thought of doing.
No, mobile is quite necessary. If you're living in metro cities and all, you can't live without mobile because it's very necessary. If you're watching, nowadays, if you don't have anything to, you can watch reel. Like, and you can't imagine like half an hour and 1 hour goes quickly by watching these kind of things, reels and all.
Okay.
It's very easy. मैंने मॉर्निंग में आया तो एक 50 ईयर के अंकल थे, वो रील्स देख रहे हैं लाइक गाना सुन रहे हैं एकदम रील्स में, लाइक गुड, इट्स वेरी एंटरटेनिंग यार, मतलब देखो इनके पास भी टाइम पास के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो है.
It suddenly
Yeah,
changes our mood actually, and we have the option of spending only 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you can manage for yourself, then you can refresh your mind while watching it. That is the best part and best way of just getting refresh your mind. As I
but if you're living in metro cities, then only you have that option. But if you're going outside of the city, if you are into somewhere where there is no any importance of mobile, you don't like to watch reels at that time because it's so peaceful, so silent. So you want to enjoy with that silence. You want to enjoy that nature and all. If you have good books with you, you like to study that book. If you have someone who is quite knowledgeable, you like to interact with those persons over there. Okay, I can get some knowledge from him as well. So that is also part of life. Everything is good. What I'm saying, I can adjust in any kind of situation. If somebody says, okay, you have to live 1 month without mobile, so I'll make my mind like that. Okay, just feel like that I don't have mobile, and now how I will enjoy myself in like whatever resource we have, I will find out the way to enjoy in that resource only.
Okay.
So
You can.
I know how to. I know how to utilize the resource.
Okay.
So I'm very manageable to utilize my resource,
Okay.
and I think that is good.
You are good at managing without cell phone and without any person. Means being alone.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. अच्छा, आप और क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कैसे बोलेंगे?
What else you want to speak? What else you want to say? What else you want to convey? Like that, there are so many ways to say these kind of sentences.
Okay. किसके लिए आप आंसू बहा रहे हो?
किसके लिए? For whom? Like for whom? किसके लिए? What did you say?
किसके लिए आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो? For what बोल सकते हैं? If you are indicating the situation, so what? For what you are doing this thing?
Okay.
हाँ, अगर आप किसी person के लिए indicate करो, so for whom भी बोल सकते हैं. किसके लिए आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं?
For whom you are doing this much hard work? For what you are doing this much hard work?
Yes. Okay.
But like if like I want to get good score and do and all, then we can say na, okay, for what you're doing that much hard work.
Yes.
So he can say, okay, because I want to get good score, I want to settle over there, I want to join this company and all. That for what? If somebody is there, if you're doing some hard work for that girl and all, so that is for whom?
Yes.
So many boys do those things as well. In school, in college, they can prepare their notes and all.
Okay.
It happens.
आपने विंडो से क्या क्या देखा? How to translate?
Window से क्या क्या देखा? What did you see from the window?
What all? क्या क्या?
What all did? Yeah. What all did you see from the window?
Yes. जैसे आप कहाँ कहाँ गए? Where all did you go? What all? क्या क्या?
Where all did you go? Where all did you visit? Where all
आप
did you
उसके बारे में और क्या क्या जानना चाहोगे?
Okay, what all do you want to explore yourself?
What all would you like to
Do you
know
want to-
about her? What all?
Okay, what all would you like to know about?
अच्छा, उसके पास और क्या क्या था?
What all he will have? He had.
Yes, what all?
Did he have
Yes, did he?
to share with you?
अच्छा, ये जो पहले वाला सेंटेंस था ना कि आपने खिड़की से क्या क्या देखा? What all did you see through the window? खिड़की से के लिए थ्रू द विंडो. थ्रू क्या होता है? जब हमारा 4 ऐसा डायमेंशनल एरिया होता है उसको हम थ्रू बोलते हैं. जैसे कि मेरी डोर से काउच आ नहीं रहा था बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट कमिंग इनसाइड थ्रू द डोर. क्या हो गया इसमें? थ्रू. इसमें 4 डायमेंशनल एरिया होने की वजह से हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? थ्रू द विंडो. जैसे कि कोई एक होल है, हम उससे झांक रहे हैं. आई वाज पीपिंग थ्रू द होल, क्योंकि उस पर सारी ओर राउंड है. आप समझ रहे हैं ना? जो एरिया कवर्ड है, थ्रू द विंडो, थ्रू द होल, इस तरह से हम बोलते हैं. पीपिंग थ्रू द होल. पीप मतलब झांकना. वाज पीपिंग थ्रू द होल. ओके.
Okay.
यस. आप घूमने के लिए कहाँ कहाँ गए?
Where all did you go for your trips?
यस.
कहाँ गए थे मतलब?
हाँ. Did you visit? Did you go for a trip? सारी चीजें.
Did you visit for your trips? Yeah.
ये किसका
Where
बैग
all
है?
did you visit for your
ये
trips?
किसका बैग है?
अरे ये किसका बैग है? Which bag is this? No,
Whose
that
bag
is
is
correct.
this?
That is.
Whose bag is
Who?
this? Whose?
Yeah, whose bag is this? Yeah,
Okay.
whose bag is
ये किसका भाई है?
Whose brother is he?
ओके. आप किसके घर जाते हो?
आप किसके घर जाते हो? Whose home do you go?
यस. Whose house do you go? ओके. किसकी सिस्टर आपको
Whose
पढ़ाती
house?
है? यस. किसकी सिस्टर आपको पढ़ाती है?
हाँ, whose sister?
Teaches you.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
correct. Whose sister teaches you?
किसकी बुक आपके पास है?
Whose book you have?
Yes, whose book you have. Okay.
Whose book?
आपने किसकी ड्रेस पहनी थी? कल रात आप पार्टी में आए थे, आपने किसकी ड्रेस पहनी थी?
Whose dresses did you wear yesterday night in the party?
Yes, whose dress did you wear in the party? In the yesterday night party. Yesterday night. Okay.
Yesterday night.
Yesterday night.
Whose dresses?
ऐसे ही मैं भी मैनेज
Yesterday night.
करती हूँ. ऐसे ही मैं भी मैनेज करती हूँ. How to?
ऐसे ही मैं भी manage करती हूँ. Like that, I also managed.
This is how I manage.
This is how I
manage.
This is how I manage.
अच्छा हम that's why कई बार बोलते हैं और इसकी full potential तक बोलते हैं that's why है ना I was because I was going there that's why I couldn't come तो that's why को जितना full potential तक use करते हैं कि हम that's what को use करते हैं that's how को use करते हैं that's where को use करते हैं हम उसकी full potential तक use करना चाहिए जैसे कि यहीं तो मैं गई थी that's where I went यहीं तो मैं आपसे जाने को बोल रही थी कैसे बोलेंगे
यही तो मैं आपसे जाने को बोल रही थी
यही that's
where I told you to go.
हाँ अच्छा मैं जब किसी से कुछ करने को बोलूंगी ना तो ask लगता है tell या said काम नहीं आता फिर that's where I asked you to go.
That's where I asked you to go.
Yeah,
that's where I asked.
यही तो मैंने आपको ले जाने को कहा था मतलब मुझे ले जाने को बोला था कैसे बोलेंगे
That's what I asked you to take it.
That's where I asked you. That's where I asked you to take me with you.
Okay, that's where I asked you to take me.
That's where I asked you to take me for visit. ये भी बोल सकते हैं.
That's where I asked you to take me to for visit.
अच्छा ऐसे ही तो मैं करती हूँ. That's how. That's how I go. That's how I manage. That's how I eat. That's how I teach. तो that's how ऐसे ही तो करती हूँ. That's why बोला अब that's what. यही तो है जो मेरे रोज काम आता है. That's what I use daily. That's what.
That's what I use daily.
यही तो है जो मैं आपसे काफी टाइम से बताना चाह रही थी कैसे बोलेंगे
That's what I want to tell you for a long time.
Yes.
From a long time.
Yes.
That's what I want to tell you.
I wanted to tell you. That's what I wanted to tell you.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you. That's true. Correct.
Okay. अच्छा बहुत एडवांस जाएंगे. I had been meaning to tell you. I had been meaning से बोलते हैं मतलब जैसे मैं आपसे मिल रही हूँ आप कह रहे हो कि मुझे आपसे बहुत दिन से बात करनी थी मैं कह रही हूँ इवन मुझे भी बहुत दिनों से बात करने का मन था या मेरा भी मन था कि मैं आपसे बात करूँ इवन आई हैड बीन मीनिंग टू कॉन्टैक्ट यू ये बहुत बिजनेस इंग्लिश का एक्सप्रेशन है इवन आई हैड बीन मीनिंग टू कॉन्टैक्ट यू या मीनिंग टू इंटरैक्ट विद यू मीनिंग टू मीट यू इस जगह मैं ऐसे यूज करते हैं इवन आई हैड बीन मीनिंग टू कॉन्टैक्ट यू मतलब मेरा भी इवन मन था मेरा भी इंटेंशन था मैं भी काफी समय से सोच रही थी कि आपसे मुझे मिलना है ये मीनिंग होता है इस बात का
I have been meaning to meet you.
Yes. जो I had been क्यों बोल रहे हैं I have been नहीं बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि अब मैं आपसे मिल रही हूँ जब कोई चीज़ हमने कंप्लीट नहीं की है तब हम बोलते हैं have been जैसे कि मैं कह रही हूँ बुक में काफ़ी समय से ढूंढ रही हूँ so I have been searching या looking for this book तो अभी भी मेरे पास नहीं है वो बुक लेकिन अब मेरे पास आ गई है तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी कि मैं ये बुक काफ़ी समय से ढूंढ रही थी so I had been looking for this book quite a long time. Okay.
Okay, I had been looking for this book quite a long time.
Okay. So कल का जो हमारा सेशन होगा उसमें हम डिस्कशन करेंगे कोई भी मूवी का फनीएस्ट सीन 1 2 3 जो भी होते हैं. Do you watch movie or not? No.
Yeah, I watched like I didn't remember about the funniest scene and all.
Okay, I love a lot actually. Okay, so any scene which you like, you can tell me. Like memorable or anything which you like from movies. Which kind of movies? We will talk about movies. I will tell about my favorite scenes. You can also. Okay.
Okay, so about the funniest scene in the movie. So we will talk about those things only.
Yeah, any scene which you like. So have you ever watched Queen movie?
Which?
Queen movie.
Queen, yeah, Kangana Ranaut. I watched that movie.
Okay. How many times? Only one time?
I think yeah, only one time I watched that.
Okay, I watched 3 times actually. Okay, so have you ever watched what was that movie of the Kangana Ranaut movie? With Madhavan. What was the name? Tanu It's Manu, first and second part.
Tanu It's
Actually,
Manu.
It's from
Kanpur.
So that's why I watched it more than 3 times, and I found every scene was really so much full of fun. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss about movies and movies scene. Any scene it can be like funny or any kind of, but we will discuss about movies.
Yeah, I have to recall something like whatever I watched in my past. You know about that movie All the Best.
Yes.
All the Best. I watched. That was so many funny scenes in that movie.
Okay.
Like Pankaj Tripathi. You know that person what Sanjay Mishra and all. Like I like the comedy of that person.
Okay, I was Dhamal actually.
yes.
The last one, Dhamal, in which Madhuri Dixit and Anil Kapoor and even Ajay Devgan. I mean, recently I watched Golmaal first. It was
Yes.
so much fun. After that, part 2, part 3 was also good. But part 1, I cannot express like how much funny it was. Every scene was really full of excitement. What is going to happen next? It was the like, right? So we will discuss
So
things tomorrow.
Okay. So
Okay. I'll send you the whole session of WH family. You can check it. If you are not comfortable, then you can tell me. I will explain the thing. Okay. Today I will send you the whole PDF of WH session. Okay.
right.
I'll see you
Okay.
tomorrow then. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bye. Thank you.